Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical welding machine, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Welding Machine, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding machines from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. YESWELDER Welding Machine Stick Welder 205 amp 110 or 220 dual voltage. Introducing the YESWELDER Welding Machine, a versatile stick welder that delivers up to 205 amps of power for all your welding needs. Perfect for a range of rods including 6010, 6011, 6013, and 7018, this machine is designed for both 110-volt and 220-volt dual voltage operation. The advanced LED display allows for clear visibility of critical data, including current settings and welding modes, making adjustments a breeze. With features like adjustable hot start and arc force, you can enjoy quick, reliable arc starts while minimizing electrode sticking and spatter. Weighing in at just 8.4 lbs, this compact welder is easy to transport, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Safety is a priority with automatic voltage compensation and overload protection. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the YESWELDER 205 amp stick welder is the perfect tool for your projects. Number 2. Hone Welding Machine Stick Welder 140 amp 110 or 220 dual voltage. Introducing the Hone Welding Machine, a powerful stick welder designed for both professionals and beginners. With a maximum output of 140 amps and 110 or 220 dual voltage options, this machine is perfect for various welding tasks. The upgraded duty cycle of 40% at 140 amp, 220 volt ensures longer working periods without overheating, enhancing your welding experience. Utilizing digital inverter technology, this welder provides smooth arcs and deeper penetration for stunning weld beads, especially at low currents. It's compatible with a variety of welding rods, including AWS E6013, E7018, and E6011, making it ideal for welding mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. Safety is paramount, with features like anti-stick functionality and built-in protection against overheat and short circuits. Plus, its lightweight and compact design makes it portable and easy to store. The Hone Welding Machine is user-friendly, equipped with a digital display for real-time current readings. Get ready to weld with confidence. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN Welding Machine MIG Welder 200 amp 110 or 220 dual voltage. Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN Welding Machine, a powerful 200 amp MIG welder designed for versatility and efficiency. This 6-in-1 multi-process machine supports gas solid wire MIG, gasless flux core MIG, stick MA and lift TIG welding, making it ideal for any project. Compatible with various wire sizes from 0.023 inch to 0.045, it caters to all your welding needs. With synergic MIG technology, this welder automatically adjusts the current and wire feed speed based on your selection, making it beginner-friendly while still meeting the demands of professional welders. The large LED display allows for easy reading of settings even while wearing your helmet. Featuring advanced functions like adaptive crater and burn-back adjustment, this machine enhances welding efficiency and accuracy. Designed with safety in mind, it includes multiple protection features to ensure secure operation. Lightweight and portable, the ARCCAPTAIN MIG welder is perfect for home DIY projects, outdoor maintenance, and more. Number 4. bestarc Welding Machine MIG Welder 145 amp 110 or 220 dual voltage. Introducing the bestarc Welding Machine, a versatile 145 amp MIG welder that excels in performance and functionality. This 3-in-1 welder supports gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it perfect for a wide range of projects. With the capability to use 0.030 inch, 0.035 inch, and 0.040 inch wire sizes, it effectively welds stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker materials, ensuring it meets all your welding needs. Equipped with a LED digital screen, you can easily monitor voltage, current, and other parameters without removing your helmet. The Synergic Control feature automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed, providing convenience for both beginners and professionals. Its 110 or 220 dual voltage capability ensures seamless operation in different environments. Weighing only 13.7 pounds and featuring a shoulder strap, this welder is highly portable, making it ideal for outdoor use. Get ready to tackle your next welding project with the bestarc MIG welder. Number 5. Egle Welding Machine MIG Welder 135 amp 110 voltage with welder equipment. Introducing the Egle Welding Machine, a powerful 135 amp MIG welder designed for versatility and ease of use. This 3-in-1 welder combines flux MIG or FCA, lift TIG or TAW, and stick SMA capabilities, making it perfect for various applications from home DIY projects to outdoor maintenance and repairs. Equipped with Synergic Control, this welder automatically adjusts voltage, current, and wire feed speed based on sheet thickness, ensuring a user-friendly experience for both beginners and professionals alike. Safety is a priority, with features like overheat and overload protection that automatically shut off the welder during overheating. The package includes essential equipment to enhance your welding experience: a solar-powered auto-darkening welding helmet, heat-resistant leather welding gloves, and a 2-pound spool of E71T's 0.030 flux core welding wire. Get ready to elevate your welding skills with the Egle Welding Machine. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.